If you're using Linux Mint 22.3 with the Cinnamon desktop, you're already getting a stable and comfortable experience. But one thing many users overlook is how powerful GNOME applications can be, even outside the GNOME desktop itself. These apps are known for their clean design, reliability, and simplicity. And the best part, they integrate surprisingly well with Cinnamon. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 of the best GNOME apps you can install on Linux Mint right now. These are not random picks. These are well-rated, widely used, and actually useful in everyday workflows. Let's get started. Let's begin with something essential: handling documents. The first app is Evince. Now, this is a document viewer, but it's one of those tools that just feels right the moment you use it. It opens files instantly, supports multiple formats like PDF and PostScript, and keeps everything distraction-free. There's no unnecessary complexity here. You open your file, scroll smoothly, search quickly, and that's it. If your current document viewer feels a bit limited or slow, this is a very easy upgrade that you'll notice immediately. Next, let's talk about viewing images. The app is Loupe. This is the modern GNOME image viewer, and it brings a very refined experience. Everything feels smooth, from opening images to zooming and navigating between them. What really stands out is how minimal it is. There are no heavy toolbars or cluttered menus. It's designed to keep your focus on the image itself. And once you get used to that clean experience, it's actually hard to go back to older image viewers. Now moving on to music. The third app is Rhythmbox. This is a classic GNOME application, but it's still one of the most reliable music players available on Linux. It handles large music libraries without slowing down, and it gives you full control over your collection. You can organize songs, edit metadata, create playlists, and manage everything in one place. It's not trying to be flashy, it's built to be dependable, and that's exactly why it still holds up today. Now let's shift into productivity. The fourth app is Gnote. At first glance, it looks like a simple note-taking app, but once you start using it, you realize it's much more than that. The standout feature here is how notes connect to each other. You can link ideas together naturally, almost like building your own personal knowledge system. So instead of having random notes scattered around, everything becomes organized and connected over time. And finally, something that's often overlooked but very important. The fifth app is Seahorse. This is a graphical tool for managing passwords, encryption keys, and secure access. It integrates with the system keyring and helps you handle things like SSH keys without dealing with complicated commands. If you've ever worked with secure connections or authentication, you already know how messy it can get. Seahorse simplifies all of that into a clean and easy interface. It's one of those apps you may not use every day, but when you need it, it saves a lot of time and effort. So as you can see, GNOME apps are not limited to the GNOME desktop. They work perfectly well on Linux Mint Cinnamon, and in many cases, they actually enhance your overall experience. They're lightweight, consistent, and designed with real usability in mind. And that's it for this video. If you found this useful and want more practical Linux Mint content like this, make sure to stay connected. There's a lot more coming, and I'll see you in the next one.